manuro ka lang na wala yung ginawa. It's unbecoming of a president actually.
So, can we say, sir, that he is a liar?
Probably.
The last time, sir, you called for the president to step down. Do we expect sana na you also say the same thing here in Tacloban?
I want to clarify this. Ang ingon nako, I will say it in Bisaya. Kung wala kay gugma, wala kay kaluoy sa mga tao, naog na lang. I never asked him to actually really do that. I said kung.
Mayor, good morning. SMNI, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, sinabi po ni President BBM na wala raw nagawa ang Duterte administration sa Yolanda. But you're even here, sir. Before ka nag-mayor, nagkakot ka mga hinabang. Hinabang ka sa relief efforts. Your father was first here before anything else.
I do not know. It's always been like that, and not really, but with the recent mga pangyayari or mga issues sa bansa. First, he was pointing a finger at my father na may secret agreement daw with China. And now, kung sino yung nanunuro, yun pala yung may problema ngayon. They have may questionable action sila within the DND. So ngayon, ito na naman, inulit naman ng President, sinasabi niya, parang, I cannot understand why you have to make up stories when you really have all the resources and the position, to really actually give a valid proposition for a debate. Manuro ka lang na wala yung ginawa. It's unbecoming of a president actually.
So, can we say, sir, that he is a liar?
Probably. Like just watch him and let your senses tell you and give the answer for it. Pero yun na nga, nanunuro ka. Pwede ka naman sayang lang yung oras mo dyan kung ganun lang yung kaya mong gawin.
Your message na lang para sa mga taga-Eastern Visayas after sa nangyari dito na hindi natuloy ang rally and kung ano yung mga ginawa sa RTR Plaza.
Well, sana makabalik pa kami dito. And, well, if we really do, magbalik kami dito. Kung may panahon kayo, it's on your time. Adto mo, paminaw lang gud mo. Wala man may ginakuan gyud. Ang hakbang ng maisog is this is a non-violent demonstration. Gusto lang namo nga madunggan mi ninyo para makibaw mo kung unsay tan-aw namo kung unsay maingon pud namo. As fairly as possible, ginabalanse mo pud namo ang mga panulti. Wa mo ta nangitag away diri gyud. Paminawa lang unsay kaingon namo.
Hello po, Mayor Baste from ISDAC, Pilipinas. Mayor Baste, ano po ang inyong komento dito sa pagpapadala ng sobrang daming kapulisan doon sa RTR at hindi lang basta-basta kapulisan dahil anti-riot police po sila. May mga yantok pa at may mga shield.
Sakto naman, wala namang problema dyan kung magpadala sila ng pulis. Like if ever may nangyari, at least nandyan yung pulis. Wala namang problema. Okay lang naman yun. I'm sure yung police, nandyan yung police to maintain the peace. And as I said earlier, this is a peaceful assembly. Wala man tayong problema sa ganun. Wala tayong plano na mag-amok para pasukin kung anong mga, wala ganun. Magsalita lang man. So, good job to the PNP kung nandun sila.
Sir?
Mayor, good morning po. Aaron from Manay. Earlier you have said no, that the Hakbang ng Maisog will further insist on its constitutional right. Can you further walk us through on that?
Well, ganito yan. As much as we can, we go through the formalities. So, pumunta kami ng noon, sa Bulacan to nagsimula na hindi na talaga kami na sa Davao kasi siyempre andun man ako. Then sa Davao del Norte medyo okay man. Then so ngayon ang nangyayari dito sa Bulacan and sa Dumaguete, dito walang response from the LGU. So but since it is a constitutional right, I think the permit is only a formality. But if you really have to, invoke your right, then you can express how you really feel. So, kung pigilan ka, pigilan ang hakbang ng Maisog, then, like I said, we can really insist to do what we want. Within the bounds of the law. Like I said, it's a peaceful assembly. So as long as there is no damage to any person or property, then it's okay.
Good morning, Mayor. Magpalamas na lang RM Tacloban. Sir, na-mention niyo na rin kanina na this is not the first time na mangyari yung natuloy yung rally ninyo. Are you expecting na may mangyayari pang same incidents in other LGUs na bibisitahin yung conduct rally?
Yeah, but I cannot really tell what will happen in the future. Pero given the current trend, tingin ko, ganun din talaga. Because we're talking about the administration. So they can do whatever they can to prevent us from talking. So tingin ko, probably, yun talaga ang mangyayari. Unless, hindi matakot yung local officials ng LGU na pupuntahan namin. If they allow us. Actually, nasa ano lang yan. Sa local officials ng isang lugar. If they want to not really support it, but just allow it lang.